Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video and I have no way to hold the phone and use both my hands to pull off the super just to take a quick peek inside. So the next best thing I could come up with was some black electrical tape and my forehead. Let's see what happens. I have to admit it's a little hard to see with this thing strapped to my face, but oh, there's the hive, and there's a lot less activity at night or in the evening. They're not quite as busy. So gonna take a quick peek in the super. I don't see any activity in there. Will be. Let's take a look under here. Oh, look at that. There's a lot more bees. They're working. Hopefully they start drawing comb up in the super. So that's another adventure in backyard beekeeping.